now within months of an airstrike by the Indian Air Force in the western sector. Now the Indian Air Force has started its wartime preparedness in the eastern sector. They've commenced a drill to operate fighter aircraft from civilian airports in the eastern sector, the first of its kind for the force. They've identified Guwahati, Aizawl, Kolkata and the Durgapur civilian airports for operating and validating these fighter aircraft operations. At present, the eastern sector has Su-30 fighter jets, Sukhoi 30 fighter jets which operate from the military airfields of Tezpur and Chabua, and Hawk trainer jets which are based at Kalaikunda Air Base, with the Indian Air Force planning to induct Rafale. Some of the new combat aircraft are likely to be based at Hasimara, which used to house the phased out MiG-27s.
Within months of the airstrike in the western sector, now the Indian Air Force is focusing on the eastern sector, and it has started a new drill of operating its Sukhoi fleet from civilian airfields like Guwahati, Kolkata. In fact, the drill is underway. We are coming to you from Guwahati airport, and you can see here the Sukhoi pilots are getting ready for this drill. Now, this is for the first time that the Sukhoi aircrafts of Indian Air Force are going to take off from a civilian airport, and this is very important in terms of increasing and testing the wartime capabilities of Indian Air Force in the eastern sector. You can see here the Sukhoi is ready, and this is part of a drill which the Indian Air Force is going to take, continue doing in 4 airports in eastern sector: Guwahati, Kolkata, Durgapur and Aizawl. Now Indian Air Force, remember, has got 2 fighter bases in eastern sector, both in Assam, in Tezpur and Chabua, where you have in total 3 squadrons of the Sukhois. Now what Indian Air Force essentially is trying to do with this is trying to also familiarize its pilot, its technicians and its crew in terms of operating from civil airfields, because here the ATC is a civil ATC. They have to operate out of airports where there would be domestic flights and as well as commercial flights taking off and on. This is a different environment. So in this way the Indian Air Force is trying to test its capabilities in the eastern sector, given the fact that there is also the move in terms of Indian Air Force trying to advance its landing and takeoff capabilities in the region, as well as its establishment, given the fact that the Air Force also plans to induct the Rafales in the eastern sector, as well as the other attack helicopters which are in the pipeline. In Guwahati, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.